this video.
In this video.
In this video.
So, hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So, there are a lot of things na i-discuss natin for today's video. So, pag-usapan natin itong 20-day moving average resistance as right now we are actually retesting this, diba? A few days ago, sabi ko sa inyo na we have to monitor this area kasi this could be a crucial area for the Bitcoin price. And on top of that, we are also going to dive in with the logarithmic growth curve as well as the altcoin market. So with that being said, let's give you a quick recap with our previous analysis. So, diba, sa ating previous analysis with the Bitcoin price action, if you're going to look at the 20-day moving average, which is makita mo dito sa ating daily time frame kay Bitcoin, you can see na whenever na we are retesting this area, we are actually seeing a lot of resistance. So, ayan no, we touched that area, got resisted, touched this area, got resisted. But look at this. Ito naman, nagkaroon tayo ng breakout but wala tayong buy volume. So, dahil walang volume, that led into a fake out. Similar din dito. I think around this area na nag-breakout na yan, as you can see, wala masyadong buy volume upon that bullish breakout. So, that also led into a fake out. And then after that, we actually retested this area once again, got resisted. And look at this. Right now, we are at that similar area. Now, we have to monitor if we are going to see a breakout. But for the time being na wala tayong breakout, I think we have to be very patient lang muna. If let's say we are going to see more sell volume, then of course this is going to be another shorting opportunity. But for now, that is what I have to monitor right now, which is the 20-day moving average, which is actually a crucial resistance right now within the Bitcoin price action. But if ever, let's say we are going to see a bullish breakout dito, if let's say nagkaroon tayo ng candle close, daily candle close with buy volume upon this area, ito, ang dapat kasi mangyari dyan is dapat magkaroon ng candle close at the same time volume dito na color green. If nagkaroon tayo ng ganun, then of course, that is a confirmed bullish breakout. Pero di ba nakita nyo, wala pa tayo nakikitang ganung scenario ever since the start. So for now, hanggat wala tayo nakikitang ganun, then of course, we just have to wait this one out pa muna. And yeah, that is what we are actually seeing within the daily time frame. That is for the bigger time frame. Now let's dive in within the shorter time frame. Let's try to look at this in the early time frame and see where is the Bitcoin price heading. So, let's try to open a coin-based chart natin kay Bitcoin. So, as you can see, if you're going to look at this, siguro in the 15-minute time frame, you can see na we are right now forming a descending triangle. So, as you can see, this is a descending triangle forming within the 15-minute time frame. You can also see this in the early time frame. So, right now, that is a swing tradable opportunity by buying at the support and then selling at the resistance. You can do that. And, siguro for now, if you want to have or enter into any massive trades, I suggest na hindi pa maganda ngayon kasi look at this. Medyo indecisive pa siya kung ako tatanungin nyo, and if you're going to zoom out, it's pretty much moving sideways pa din for the past few days. So when it comes to the short term, siguro small trades lang. Hindi ako nag-expect na malaki ang trades kasi look at this. We are just expecting more consolidation pa din, and wala pa din tayong clear signs of a massive breakout pa within the very short term. So for now, you can just swing trade within the support and resistances. But when it comes to massive trades, I don't think may maganda pa opportunity. If I were you, I would just wait this one out muna if you want to enter into any massive trades. Pero and for short trades, if let's say you want to trade for the short term, you can actually trade that guys with Bybit, which is our sponsor. And as you can see, if you want to claim up to $3,000 bonus, just use my sign up link na you can find the description down below and take advantage of our partners guys. Kasi of course, sila lumalapit sa atin guys. So yeah, take advantage of that. All you have to do is just to deposit certain amount, and then of course you can actually take advantage of those deposit bonus. And yeah, you can actually find this guys in the description down below. Now let's dive into the weekly time frame kasi look at this. In the weekly time frame, diba, ever since na nag-drop down tayo dito sa ating support, we actually went down way even further. So in that case, look at this. We are still playing within the support and resistance nitong logarithmic growth curve. So it's still playing within our analysis na sinabi natin for the past few weeks. Diba sabi ko nung nag-breakdown tayo dito na we are going to expect longer periods of consolidation, longer time of accumulation. So in this case, I'm not expecting any massive move yet for the midterm within the coming weeks with the Bitcoin price action. So in this case, this is more of a consolidation lang. And this is actually more of a accumulation phase or reaccumulation phase just for us to see more consolidation, and then you can actually accumulate for Bitcoin. In my case, I've been accumulating more and more. So there are a lot of ways wherein you can accumulate a Bitcoin. You can either long or short Bitcoin, but otherwise you can actually just buy sa spot wallet lang and then just hodl it. And then just siguro hayaan nyo lang siya kasi look at this. This is a very long consolidation similar to what we saw last 2018 to 2019, which is this area. Similar din with 2020. Those are the similar area na nagkaroon tayo ng massive consolidation. Ganun din, within the 2015 to 2016, those were the periods of long consolidation. So right now, we are seeing that similar area also. But anyway, let's now dive into the altcoin market kasi look at this. Bitcoin dominance is rapidly increasing. So this is going to indicate na altcoins are going to bleed way even further. So in this case, hindi maganda ngayon mag-enter into any altcoins kasi look at this, dominance is still increasing. So for the time being, I suggest na if you want to invest within the crypto market, just stick lang with Bitcoin kasi look at this, altcoin markets are relatively very bad right now within the whole crypto market. So if I were you, focus with Bitcoin, altcoin market, standby lang muna and just trade with Bitcoin muna. And when it comes to investment for the long term, stick to Bitcoin na lang muna. If healthy na yung altcoin market, saka ka na lang bumalik sa ating altcoin market. But nonetheless, let's give a quick update like Ethereum. Kasi look at this, despite of the Bitcoin price just consolidating, diba, nagko-consolidate lang si Bitcoin, but look at Bitcoin dominance. It's rapidly increasing. So in that case, magbe-bleed yung altcoins natin. And look at what is happening with Ethereum. Ethereum is rapidly bleeding because of the increasing dominance. So diba nakita nyo, hand in hand siya. Even though na sideways si Bitcoin, as long as pataas si dominance, hihina yung ating altcoin markets natin like Ethereum. But anyway, ay muna siguro update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.